Welcome to the museum of the private collection of Megerian family named after Hovannes and Noemi Megerians. So I will introduce to you some of these Armenian rocks, just a few but very important ones. All of them are of Armenian origin, from 100 to about 400 years old. Let's look at this one, which is Vahana-Gorg, a rock with a symbol of shield as a protection. As you can see, it was separated in two parts. There is a story behind it. During the Armenian genocide, a mother separated it between her two daughters. And she said, if you find each other, put the rock back into memory of our family. And 50 years after, they found each other in the US. And nowadays, Megerians are trying to get the whole story behind of it. How did they meet? In a church or any other place? This rock is 160 years old. Please let's go this way.